on, girl. Let's get this.
That is athletic tape, courtesy of Tyler.
Oh my god.
I think you unwrapped the tape the wrong way.
It was taped the wrong way.
No, you started at the wrong end of the tape. You'll be fine. Just, there we go.
Where's the right side of the tape? Oh. Try this again.
That might be difficult.
Oh, you got me paper for Christmas. You're so cute.
Open the box.
Oh.
No, you have to open that one first.
It's a Zelda. Oh. That's cool. Oh, it comes with a moho. That's cool. Okay.
Yes. Tyler also wrapped that one.
Tyler.
Tyler took it from me.
I'm sure you're a nice person. Doing deep down in your soul. I'm gonna break something. This is unbreakable.
I don't know where she got the crepe paper. She just came running through the house with it. Snatched the box and started wrapping it. I think you just cheated.
I don't care. What am I supposed to do? Go strand by strand? Y'all killed that Amazon. I'm telling you right now.
All that stuff that was in the box was from my wrapping paper from Robin.
I knew it. I knew it. I fucking knew it. I haven't even opened the box. I hope there's actually something there.
Oh my god. I would not be that mean to you.
Oh, no. Stop the video now.